So all these baby gates want you to screw them into the wall, right? But in this case, I didn't want to screw them into the wall, so I went and got a couple little blocks of wood, 4 of them, and I cut them to the right shape. As you can see, that one there is cut to fit the corners. Then I went and I screwed these little round circles on, which are meant to be screwed into the wall, into the piece of wood. And you can then see behind the wood, I have a little M3 double-sided adhesive Velcro strip. So I popped that on the side of the wood, on all corners. And then I just inserted the gate and tightened it up. So each one of these is meant to take 8 kilos, these little strips. So 8 times 4, in theory. I've set them horizontally because I reckon the forces will be backwards and forwards horizontally as this little one clambers, pushes and grinds. But you can see there's some good grip in there. And then when I decide to dismantle this, I can just remove the adhesive strips, take it apart, and there'll be no marks left behind. So perhaps it's something to try at home.